Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am back again with another Boxycharm unboxing, but I have two. So I have the Boxycharm Luxe and the Boxycharm Premium. Not sure which one's which because they are the exact same size box and they are both pretty hefty. So we're gonna have to just wing it and figure out which one's which. I am constantly doing these videos in different spots in my house. So right now I'm in front of the new couch. And gonna dive right in. Hopefully we have some cards because we have not had cards in most of our boxes for quite some time. So, I have a card. So this month's Boxycharm theme is Oasis. So this is 6. I think this is the premium because the first item on this card is what I think is in the premium box. So I believe this box is our premium. Going to start off with the first item, which is the $1 Billion Brow Duo Sculpting Brush. It's not focusing, but this is the $1 Billion Brow Brush. But this actually is really soft. Actually, this is like super soft. Okay, this brush retails for $30 for this brush. I mean, it's soft. And this is more like maybe sculpting, like contouring right here. And then maybe contouring your nose, but that's cool. $30 is crazy. Next up is Natasha Denona eyeliner pencil. Why? Okay, that's better. Back here, Natasha Denona eyeliner pencil. Oh, it's in the shade Cobalt Blue. This is eyeliner pencil, very different from what I would normally use. It's a very creamy crayon, and that's pretty. But that's my first Natasha Denona item. So the Natasha Denona eyeliner is $18. It's pretty good. Next up is from Nars. I think this is the item I chose. It is the Nars Power Matte Lip Pigment in, call me. I wonder if this will be a red. Ooh, ooh. Ooh, that is the color. Ooh, ooh. It's like a pinky, like a coral. Your girl's excited. This item, why do so many lip products smell like vanilla icing? And I don't like vanilla icing, but it smells good. I just, bleh, not to eat. The Nars Power Matte Lip Pigment is $26. So I always forget this sometimes. This is the premium box, and the premium box is $35 each month. Now, the brush was $30. The eyeliner was $18. We're already above the cost of the box. And then this was $26. So we're already way above the cost of the box. So that's pretty nice. Next up is from Too Faced, the Cocoa Contour Palette. I know I've said this before, not the biggest fan of Too Faced, just they've had a lot of personnel and behavioral issues. But I will say, like, this palette is really pretty, and it feels different. It's like a satiny finish almost, but hard. I don't know. I like it. So these are the shades. They have a light, medium, and a deep highlighter, a light, medium, and a deep contour. But that deep contour doesn't seem very deep. That's the deep contours right there. That doesn't seem very deep. Interesting, and it comes with a how-to guide. So this palette retails for $44. Holy shit, this box is pricey. Up next is the Living Proof Restore Instant Protection Weightless Heat and UV Protection. So I've been using the Living Proof shampoo. I think there was a sale on Boxycharm or FabFitFun. I think it was Boxycharm's website. It was their Boxy pop-up sale, and I got 2 Living Proof shampoos and a Living Proof conditioner and something else for like $50 when normally like it would have been $100 and something. And I've been loving the Living Proof shampoo. It's really the first time I've used their shampoo. But I've used some of their other products that I've gotten in other Boxycharms, Ipsies, things like that. I'm excited to try this out. The Living Proof Restore Instant Protection is $28. Again, holy shit. This is like, their boxes have not been great lately, and the premium is a fucking knockout. Like, I think this box is spot on. This is an amazing box. And if you have the chance to get the Boxycharm Premium box, kind of recommend it. Now, the last item that I am so excited for, because you guys have heard me talk about this like brand multiple times lately, is the Glow Recipe Avocado Melt Retinol Sleeping Mask. Now I think there's an eye cream, under eye cream, that I got as like a mini sample or a deluxe sample that I've been using. I've been really excited to try this. I recently purchased from Sephora the vitamin C pineapple serum because that's the one I really, really wanted. But during the Sephora VIB sale, it was completely sold out on their website and on Glow Recipes website. Like, ridiculous. I'm really excited for this. So this product is $49. Okay, so there have been 2 products that are priced over the price of the box, or retail for over the price of the box. Then everything else is just underneath. Like, this has been a freaking phenomenal box. So what I'm gonna do is go ahead and tally up the total and let you guys know how much my Boxycharm Premium was worth. This box for me was worth almost $200. It was a $195 value for this Boxycharm Premium box. $35 is what I paid. And I got nearly $200 worth of product. And I'm actually really excited. Like, the lip product, I know I don't wear a lot of lip product and I have a fuck ton of lip products, but this is pretty. Like, this is actually a really, really pretty color. I'm excited for that. The Glow Recipe, like, yes, please, more baby. Living Proof, Too Faced. But this brush is also really soft. So it's not like, I don't think you could use this for a foundation or even a BB cream. So the Boxycharm Luxe Box is $50 to $60, something like that. I think it's closer to $60. And it replaces the base box, but 4 times a year. December, September, June, and March. Instead of getting a regular base box, if you upgrade to the Luxe, you'll get a Luxe box. So I think it's like 3 of the products from the base box will also be in here, and then they have a bunch of other products. That being said, let's see what's in here. Do we have a card? Oh, we do! We have a paper. It's not as firm as the card, but it's a paper and I'll take it. So again, the theme is Oasis. This is really crinkled and messed up, but I'll allow it because it's actually in here, so I actually don't have to look up the prices of all of these items. So first up, oh, I think I know what this is. This is by OC. I think this is probably gonna be one of those stones that you use to, yeah, it's like a stone that you use to put like face oil on or serums or things like that, and you massage. So you would use it up like this to help minimize wrinkles and to help tighten the skin. I think it helps to promote collagen as well. The OC Sculptor is $32. The thing that I hear that's really nice about all of these jade stones, jade rollers, other stone rollers, is that if you put it in the fridge or you put it somewhere cool, that it's really refreshing and helps to tighten the skin even more. Up next is the Pure Heals Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask. This is a pretty hefty product and it comes with a little scooper. I can already kind of smell it. Oh, there's honey. There's bees on there and like honey. Okay, cool. So that would be why it kind of smells like honey to me. Oh my, that's strong. It kind of leaked and it doesn't have a little protective thing, or it's connected to the top, which is, you know, sucky, but it came in a box. But it kind of did leak, so you can kind of see it through there, but it's not crazy. Sleeping mask enriched with 80% honeybee propolis extract provides full nourishment and glowing skin for tired skin while you sleep. I love me a good mask, whether it be like a moisturizing mask that you use while you're sleeping, or if it's just a face mask, which I was so lucky. My favorite sheet mask, which I know sheet masks aren't the best for the environment, and that's very unfortunate because these are really, really good. I love these. And it was a 12 pack. I was able to get them for, I think it was like 60% off. It was like a 1-day sale. I saw it on Instagram and I was like, fuck yes, because I follow them on Instagram. It's the BioBell glycolic mask, and I forget exactly what it's called, but I love their glycolic sheet mask. I also liked their red wine one, but I don't think they have it anymore, which makes me sad. But I got it. It was like a 12 pack for like $18 when normally it's like $48 for the 12 pack. You girls snapped that real fast. Love it. Up next is the M Greengrass CBD Head to Toe Cream. There you go. It's got 100 milligrams of CBD, and you can use it as a daily facial moisturizer for challenging spots from head to toe. The Pure Heals Propolis 80 Sleeping Mask is $55, so pretty much the price of the box right there. And then the M Greengrass is $56. This bottle of CBD oils, $56. This is 1 ounce. It's $56. What? Fantastic. Next up is the Pure Lisse Perfect Glow BB Cream with SPF 30. Now, I will say, thankfully this has a little thing. There's been some issues with that. But I will say, I got sent some Lancome skin, it's like a Lancome foundation from Influencer. I had to go buy another one because I needed another color. Because like during the summer versus the winter, and I love it. It's literally the only thing I wear. I tried to get the It Cosmetics CC cream one, and I purchased two. I purchased the illuminating one and the matte one, and I never touch those because I love the other one so much. But I do love me a good BB cream. I'm concerned about the color. This is medium. I mean, I don't know if you can see it really right there. It's a BB cream, so it's not like full coverage. So this probably could work for me. It's a little dark on my hand, but I mean, I just need to go outside a couple of times and I'm sure it'll be fine. That's cool. And it comes with a little info card, which is cool. And it has all of the ingredients on here. The Pure Lisse Perfect Glow BB Cream is $35. There's just a lot of variety in these boxes this month. I feel like the last couple of months have been just so underwhelming, and this is great. Now, the next product is controversial. Why? As I'm sure you can tell who this is on this little card. It's from Kylie Skin. In this box this month is the Kylie Skin Foaming Face Wash. Now, there have not been good words had about Kylie Skin. I've never used Kylie Skin, and I don't think I own any of the Kylie makeup or Kim's makeup or anything. But this is a pretty big size face wash. We've gotten a lot of skincare from them, so I can give this a try. I feel like I've seen some people say that there's nothing wrong with the foaming face wash, so I'm sure this is fine. It's just a face wash. This is $24. It's a foaming face wash that has kiwi seed oil, vitamin C and E. So we'll see. It's probably just, I would hope that it's more along the lines of a gentle cleanser. Supposedly it's supposed to help remove dirt, oil, and makeup. Really? We'll see. But $24. So it's nice. It's variety. I really like that. We have 3 items left. Damn. Up next is this lip pencil 2-pack from Bodyography. It doesn't say anything. It just says it's a lip pencil. Though it does say it's paraben free. So there's that. Looks like it's vegan friendly. And these are lip pencils. Yeah. So, ooh, these are the 2 lip pencils. One is in Pouty and the other is in Rosewood. Pressed a little hard with that. So those are the 2 colors right here. Really pretty. I like Pouty a lot. Pouty would be like more of a go-to for me. So that's exciting. I always need more lip pencils because I do like to outline my lips sometimes. Sometimes I'll just use a lip pencil because it's matte and it doesn't really budge as much as opposed to a lip product, which there is some transfer on the Power Matte Nars liquid lip, but not crazy. So that's exciting. Those pencils are worth $28 for the 2 set. Up next, I'll do the next item, which is the Tula Glow and Get It Cool and Brightening Eye Balm, which I was looking at considering getting this from their add-ons, which I did purchase the Avocado Retinol mask in the add-ons sale that they just had. And I knew because it said it was in the June premium box, and I didn't know if that was like, you might get it, you might not. So I just went ahead and bought it. But I'm okay with getting an extra. And I purchased I didn't get it in the June box or in the May box. It was the Hourglass highlighting stick. I wanted to try it because I don't wear makeup much, but love highlighter. But this is the Tula Eye Balm. It's this blue, and I think you just rub it on underneath your eyes, which, cool. I do like Tula. I have tried a couple of their products. I think I only purchased one of them, and I think the rest of them I come in Boxycharm boxes or in FabFitFun. And I actually really do like the Tula. I think I purchased the the salicylic acid, I think is from, the one I have is from Tula, and I really like it. I actually feel like it makes a difference. The Tula Eye Balm is $28. Damn, this box. And then the last item in this box is an eyeshadow palette. And you know, we always get eyeshadow palettes from Tarte. I have so many eyeshadow palettes from Tarte. This is the High Performance Neutrals palette. This is the eyeshadow palette, lots of different colors. some pops of fun, but mostly definitely neutral, which is, I mean, that's what it said the palette is. This is definitely more my vibe of like the neutrals with a bit of the pops of glam, but I do like the metallics and shimmers. I prefer more of like a silver or white or something like that that just kind of pops a little more, that you can use as a topper more than the golds and things. I'm just not a gold person, really. It's just, even though this ring is gold, I didn't have an option. Like, this is my school ring and it's gold, and that's what it is, and I'm not flipping you off, so. Or I am. I don't know, fuck it. It always smells like chocolate. Even though I don't like milk chocolate, dark chocolate's where it's at. So this palette retails for $49. So I think, look, I think these boxes are on point. I think I'm beyond happy with these boxes. For those who are probably wondering, I got number 56 in the Boxycharm Premium and number 4 in the Boxycharm Luxe. None of us know if it means a damn thing. Maybe it does, maybe it doesn't. But those are my numbers. So let me tally up the Boxycharm Luxe Box. Y'all, okay, my Boxycharm Luxe Box was worth $307 this month. So I got $500 worth of products and I spent $100, maybe, max. So I'm not mad. And like, there's the variety in these boxes this month is spot on. This is by far probably some of the best boxes I've ever received. Like, I'm not super excited about the Kylie skin stuff just because I'm wary, but like, that's still like, I would not purchase this on my own. So I'm glad I have the chance to try it and form my own opinion without really having to pay for it, because I consider like two items from each box having covered the whole cost. I don't know. This is $49. But like, it's you get the bang for your buck. Like, it's definitely a good value this month. So guys, let me know now down in the comments if you are interested in this month's Boxycharm. Are you subscribed, or are you thinking of subscribing, or maybe just picking up 1 month? Let me know down below. Also, I'll have in the description box my referral link. I get like, I think 500 points that you can use towards the Boxycharm charm room, and usually I get there way too late to be able to buy anything that's worth a damn or that I'm interested in, but I just stock them up, and I think you can also use them for shipping, or maybe they don't have that anymore. But I'll just leave my referral link down below if you're interested in signing up and starting with Boxycharm. I'm so impressed and so excited. Like, that's it for this video. Guys, if you liked it, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe if you're new, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Peace.